Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today, I would like to share how you can integrate Mapbox into Joomla RSForm component. RSForm component is a very popular extension in Joomla community, and I've been using this for years. I'm very happy with the extension, and I'm sure if you are dealing with Joomla, you heard that extension. So the challenge is to um, how to integrate it with the Mapbox. Um, so the existing contact form is here. I would like to demonstrate how you can integrate it. Let's have a look at the demo. So how we can search for an address. So in this case, I'm going to start typing in 12 London Road. So as you can see, as soon as we start typing, it's searching, it's an autocomplete, and then we get a list of addresses in the UK. So I'm happy with the first result, and I'm going to click on that. So as soon as I select the address, it will auto-populate the address block underneath. So address line 1, address line 2, which could be a building name in the event of flat. Then you have town, postcode, and country. So alternatively, I can enter it manually as well. So this is part of this, the typical address input. Sometimes, you don't find the address and we need to give an option for the end user to enter the address manually. So this is how it is done. And behind the scene, how this is implemented is this is an RSForm JavaScript block. So that's where we have to introduce Mapbox block basically inside the JavaScript block. So the first line is the library that we have to link. And then underneath a piece of code that initialize the library, and on load, we will initialize autocomplete or autofill address. And obviously you need access token to be able to access the service. And I would assume you've already got an account with Mapbox and you already have a token to access the service. So the block here, the country is GB, so we can restrict the search to a specific country. Then the underneath, once we click on a result, then we can decide what needs to happen. So in this case, I wanted to show the address block, and also I wanted to have the address line populated because there are two address line ones. One is the auto search, the another one is the manual entry. There are two different input fields because of the auto search, and that's how Mapbox works. So, and there's a piece of code underneath to show and hide the address block. So this is it. This is how it works. It's pretty straightforward, and I think you might use this if you use RSForm component at all. And I would also give you an export of this form in a zip format in the video, in the description of the video, so you can download and import into your Joomla RSForm and play with it. Okay, that's everything. Thanks for watching. Thank you.